Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to create group on WeChat. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your WeChat. Then after you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on new chat. The next thing you need to do is to select friends you want to add to the group. I'm going to select this person right here, and I will scroll down right here and I'll make sure I select this. I'll scroll down right here and I'll make sure I select this. The next thing you need to do is to click on done. And here we go. You have your group chat right here. You can simply click on here and type in whatever you want to type and send it into the group right here. So at the time of creating the group, your group member is going to be found right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.